scored 13 and we got the cutoff 8 with 1 star. Okay, Isna, then do your duties and
Okay, sir.
okay.
So first, congratulations to all the participants, all the finalists. We'll be starting with the grand finale of the quiz right now. And firstly, a very good afternoon to everyone present here, and thank you for joining us for today's quiz session. Today we have with us Team Quiz and Hall, and the quiz master for today's session is Mr. Kaushik Maji. He is a passionate quizzer and a government teacher by profession from Haldia. Yeah, and he'll be assisted by Mr. Onik Mistry. He is a quiz lover from Haldia, and he is also pursuing his MBA from Vidyasagar University. And he'll also be assisted by Mr. Shubham Bera, sir. He is a quiz enthusiast and he's a software engineer in Capgemini, India for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. And yes, you can continue with the grand finale round.
Onik, I just want to know that all the finalists, only the finalists will be in the room, right? Or all the people will be in the room? Just clarify once.
ম্যাম যতটা বলেছিল, ম্যাম বলেছিলেন যে only finalist and those the coordinators will be here. Other than those who aren't qualified for the semi-final, they should leave.
All right. So how will gonna like do the you know, like clockwise and anti-clockwise? Please justify, and we can start the first round if everybody is ready.
Rules are coming. Wait a minute. Let me show my screen once again.
The participants who have not qualified for the final round are requested to leave, and then we would be starting with the grand finale with the selected participants.
Before leaving, thank you everyone for joining and for qualifying the semi-final. I wish you all the very best for the next year. Thank you again.
Okay, here comes the final PPT for the technical quiz on intellectual property rights and entrepreneurship. Okay. Shubham, please introduce ourselves for 1 second.
All right. Starting with myself, I'm Shubham Bera, working in Capgemini, India for last 2 years as a software engineer. And I've completed my BCA from Techno India Salt Lake in 2019. And yep, I'm associated. I'm in Quizzy Health from last almost 5 to 6 years. And yep, that's pretty much all from mine. Thank you. Wish you all the best again. Anik, please. Anik, you can go for yourself.
Okay, here comes the general rules for the final. Okay, guys, please keep switch on your camera throughout the session and switch off your mic unless or until it's your turn to answer. Question will be served alphabetically from A to Z as per your initial of your name. There are the 3 rounds. 2 rounds are bonus, and the last round is non-bonus round. Among those 2 bonus rounds, one is clockwise and another one is anti-clockwise. For the direct question, you will get +10 for the right answer, and if you passing it to the next team and they give the right answer, then they will get +5. No negative marking is there. Okay, and after reading out the whole question by the quiz master, then only you get 10 seconds to the answer. And during the bonus, you have to give the answer instantly and don't break the sequence. Please maintain the sequence and and patient for your turn. Okay, and for today, Quizmaster is the god and the absolute. Maintain the decorum and sportsman spirit. Okay. Esna, tell them please switch on their all videos.
Yes, sir. All the finalists are requested to switch on your cameras. So then we can start.
I think there are a couple of teachers and couple of professors are in this room, but still, the thing is, maths, whoever in this quiz right now, please don't be too much serious. It's a fun game, and we are all doing fun with some knowledge gaining thing. And yep, just switch on your cameras and do good. I can see only Ishika open her camera. Anyone, please?
Come on, everyone, please switch on your cameras. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for the quiz masters to carry on the game. Okay, sir, I guess we can give them 2 to 3 minutes to get ready, and like maybe they need some time.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Hello. Onik, Swam, do you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Kushika.
One thing I have to say, what would be the team sequence? Please
Onik.
arrange the team sequence first. Esna or Devraj, help.
Yes.
Please help to
Yes.
arrange the sequence.
Some.
একটু টিম সিকোয়েন্সটা একটু আগে থেকে অ্যানাউন্স করে দেবে প্লিজ। এসনা।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, সবাই একবার ক্যামেরা অন করে জয়েন করে নিলে
হ্যাঁ, একটু টিম সিকোয়েন্সটা অ্যারেঞ্জ করে নেবে, তাহলে সুবিধা হয়। দেবরাজ স্কোরটা তাহলে প্রপারলি করতে পারবে।
Yes, sir. Everyone is ready because we're running a bit late, I believe.
Yes, sir, I understand, but I don't see all the participants in the room. And we just got 2 more minutes.
Okay, okay, no problem. I can see Shaya Ghosh and Anshika Bashak. It's two people. And Pramita Shah. Yep. Rita Shri Bandyopadhyay, I think. Yep. Other guys. All right, so I think I should open my video so that people can start. Yeah. Everyone is ready. I think I am not able to see Kia Shaw's video. So I don't. I'm not seriously. I seriously don't know who are the professors here. Isna, can you just tell me who are the professors in the room, please?
Yes, sir.
Who are the professors in the room?
Okay, sir. I'll just take you through the professors.
Sure.
We have Kia Shao ma'am with
Okay.
us.
Sorry. I thought the students. I'm sorry, ma'am. Yeah, continue.
We have Kia Shao ma'am with us. We have Sucheta Das ma'am,
Okay.
Sudeep Das sir, Tilak Raj Maiti sir, and Shubhrama ma'am, Shubhrama Gupta ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Onik, I think only the professors are like stop the didn't stop the didn't switch on their camera. Otherwise, all people have switched on. So we can start. Onik.
Yes, then let's
Uh,
start.
Yep, no problem.
Okay, sir, one thing, the list which you shared of the finalists, shall we just go by that list? Or would you want to take it alphabetically?
Alphabetically would be the better.
Okay, sir. So the first participant would be Anshika Basak.
Okay. Wish you all the best to the participants. Without wasting any time, let's start our quiz. So the first question for Ansika. Direct for scoring, direct +10 and the bonus will +5. Okay.
1 minute.
So the
1 minute.
uh,
Please, Esna, please tell me the whole sequence.
Okay,
If-
sir. I'll just read out one by one from top to bottom. All right. Would that be fine, sir?
Okay.
Okay, the first participant will be Anshika Basak. The second participant will be Debajit Dhar. The third participant will be Ishani Jordar, and then followed by Ishika Kumar. Sir, Ishani Jordar, she has not yet joined the meeting. I have asked her to. So by the time we reach her, if she is not here, then we'll move on to Ishika Kumar. And then we'll have Pramita Saha, then Pooja Jha, then Ritoshri Bandopadhyay, then Shayok Ghosh, then then Soham Ghosh, and then last Srijan Roy. Kaushik sir, was I audible?
Okay. Why I say, because other next team take the time to prepare.
Okay, sir. Like the next participant.
No time for bonus. বোনাস কিন্তু ইনস্ট্যান্টলি দিতে হবে, ইনস্ট্যান্টলি উত্তর দিতে হবে।
আচ্ছা, তো স্যার লাইক ফার্স্ট পার্টিসিপেন্ট মানে তাহলে কি পার্টিসিপেন্টের একটা লিস্ট আমরা এখানে দিয়ে দেবো লাইক চ্যাট বক্সে বা কোথাও?
একটু জাস্ট হ্যান্ড রিটেন করলেও হবে।
ওকে স্যার, আমি
শোনো এস না, আমি যেটা বলি শোনো, বলছি যে তুমি যেহেতু তুমি বা কেউ তোমার কাছে সিকোয়েন্সটা আছে, তো তুমি জাস্ট একবার লাউডলি রিড করে দেবে যে নেক্সট এর টার্ন আছে, বা তুমি ওর নামটা ধরে ডাকবে, ও মাইকটা অন করে অ্যান্সারটা দেবে, দেন মাইক অফ করে নেক্সট টিম যদি ঠিক দিল তাহলে +10, যদি ভুল হয় তো আমরা নেক্সট টিমের কাছে মুভ করে যাবো। ওকে
ওকে স্যার, সো দ্য ফার্স্ট পার্টিসিপেন্ট ইজ Anshika Basak.
Good afternoon, everyone.
গুড আফটারনুন আনসিকা। ওকে কৌশিক দা, তাহলে শুরুটা করছি।
একদম ফার্স্ট রাউন্ড নিয়ে আসছেন অনেক মিস্ত্রি।
ওকে আনসিকা, দিস ইজ ইয়োর কোশ্চেন।
Okay.
Okay. Jonathan Barden talking about an eureka moment just like this. When he stepped out of the shower, the room was a bit foggy. I was a familiar face looking back at me in the clear silver of the mirror that my hand just swiped. This moment led him to the development of a certain feature which revolutionized the industry. Okay, what I am talking about. I just want that feature which he later added to something, and that changed the whole idea. Okay. Have you understood my question?
Yes, I've understood.
Okay. Answer একটা দিতে হবে একটু।
You can guess,
I don't want.
otherwise pass, give pass.
Guys, you can ask me some clues. If you are not getting the answer, then you can ask me for some clues. I will help you. Okay. Okay, clue for all. It's an common app. Just
Sir, is it Tinder?
are you guessing or are you sure?
I'm sure.
Do you use Tinder?
I don't use actually, but I have once installed the app.
Okay. So let's see the answer. Yes, Ansika is right. It's Tinder. So Ansika will get +10. So the next question for?
So next question for Debajit Dhar.
Okay.
Second participant, Debajit Dhar.
Okay. Devajit, here your question. An alumni of IIT Kanpur, he started his career at IIM Ahmedabad as Chief System Programmer. There he designed a basic interpreter for Electronics Corporation of India Limited. His first venture, named Softonics, was a failure, but his second venture is considered to be one of the biggest hits in Indian corporate history. Just ID the entrepreneur.
Pass.
Pass.
No idea about it.
No idea.
No.
Okay, he passed. So the next will be
Ishani Jordar. I don't think so. She's in the room.
she's in the room. Okay, then
Then
Ishani,
Ishika Kumar. After
Okay.
Ishani Jordar, it's Ishika Kumar.
Isika. Any guess? Isika, please turn on your mic. Okay, next.
Next, Pooja Jha.
Pooja.
Pooja
Pooja.
Jha isn't in the room, I guess. After that, Pramita Saha.
Pramita.
Yes.
Any guess, Pramita? Okay. Move to the next one. Next,
After Pramita Saha, Sir Ritushri Bandopadhyay.
Ritrasri.
I passed the answer.
Okay, next.
Ritushri. After Ritushri, we have Shayok Ghosh.
Pass the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we covered the everyone, na?
Yes, sir. Shayok Ghosh, and after him,
টিম এ
Shubham
টিম
Ghosh.
এ টিম এ বাকি রয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা 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 হ্যাঁ Ansika.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any answer?
No, sir. I passed this question. I have no idea.
Okay, let's see the answer. It is Narayan Murthy. He is the founder of the company Infosys. Okay, so the next question for Isika. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Isika, here is your question. This prize is an annual year-long competition that crowdsources ideas from university level students after challenging them to solve pressing social issues like food security, energy and education, water access, etc. It was founded by Ahmad Askar. According to Forbes, the prize is one of the most important social entrepreneurship awards in the world. Bangladeshi Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus referred it as the Nobel Prize for the student. Just identify this prize. Okay.
Sir, I have to name the prize.
Yes. You have to name the prize only.
Sir, it will be Hult Prize.
Okay. Let's see the answer. Yes, he is absolutely correct. It is the Hult Prize. Okay, then Isika will get plus 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question for
Sir, after Ishika, Pramita Saha.
Pramita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your question, Pramita. Navin Tiwari, the co-founder of India's first billion-dollar startup InMobi, has said, "I connect cricket a lot to the journey of an entrepreneur. Think of the rhythm of a bowler bowling and a batsman batting. Entrepreneurship is that rhythm." So also he said that one point of all of his password had reference to dash. Okay, you have to fill in the blank with a name of a cricketer. Okay.
Cricketer.
Yes. Do you get my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Navin Tiwari, he is the co-founder of India's billion-dollar app InMobi. During his early days, he is using a cricketer's name as his password. In every social platform and the other platforms are there, he is using a cricketer's name. You have to tell me the cricketer name or fill in the blank. Okay. clue for all. He is the most famous. Okay.
Just a second. Hmm. Sir, is it Sachin Tendulkar?
Are you guessing or are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, as you are so sure, so I think you have got the +10. Let's see, it is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so Pramita will also get +10.
Okay, sir.
So next question for
Sir, Ritoshri Bandyopadhyay.
okay, Ritosri.
Next question is for Pooja Jha, I guess.
Pooja Jha isn't here. I can't see her.
Pooja Jha is present in the
Yeah.
meeting.
Oh,
Yes,
I'm
I'm
so
here.
sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fifth question for Pooja. Identify the organization. It has 4 branches. The headquarters is situated in Kolkata with branches in Chennai, New Delhi, and Mumbai under the jurisdiction of Indian government. Altogether, it has 526 employees, 97 assistant controllers, 42 deputy controllers, and 1 joint controller and 1 senior joint controller. Just identify the organization. Pooja?
Yes, sir.
And Pooja, please switch on your camera, please.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir. It is not happening actually. I can't switch on the camera. I'm trying it.
Are you facing any difficulty from the host side, Pooja? I think you're permitted to switch on start video because the permission has been given.
Okay. I'm trying, but still it is not happening actually.
Okay, do you have any answer, Pooja?
No, sir.
Okay, she is passing it to Ritosri. Ritosri, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Any guess, Ritosri?
Is it
Okay,
the patent office?
patent office.
Yes, I'm guessing.
Do you want to improve your answer a little bit?
The Patent Granting Office of India, that we have, the Patent Granting Authority of India.
Now it is got the full part. Okay, I am looking for the term India. So let's check the answer. It is the Indian Patent Office. Okay, then Ritosri will get +5 in bonus. Now, Ritosri, it's your turn. Give me the X. Okay. The company X was created by a 19-year-old entrepreneur, Tom Lee Williams, after he saw his elder sister Mabel applying Vaseline and coal dust to her eyelashes to give them a darker look. He adapted this method using simple chemistry, set and sold his product X, naming after his sister. I just need the X.
It is Maybelline.
Maybelline.
Yes, named after Mabel.
You just work it out from the question.
Vaseline, coal dust, and Mabel. And Maybelline is known for their.
Okay. You are so sure. So I think this is the right answer. It is Maybelline. So Ritosri got +10 again. Okay,
Sir,
the
in the
next,
last round, Ritoshi got a +5 for a bonus, right?
yes, and now she will get +10 also in his
Okay.
in her direct question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So moving to the next. Next কে আছে?
Sir, Shayok Ghosh.
Okay. Sayok?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Currently, West Bengal has received 21 geographical identification type, latest being X, the certificate of which was received on 18th May 2018. X is a multicolor handicraft product whose application for GI tag was filed by the West Bengal Khadi and Village Industry Board. It is a spongy reed handicraft which is used as raw material for preparing mats, having the capacity to deal with the hot and humid climate of West Bengal. X possesses non-conducting and ability to absorb sweat properly. I just need the X. The last GI tag from West Bengal.
Is it Madhur Kathi?
Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, it is Madhur Kathi, or we can also call them Chatai mat. So Sayok also get +10.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All the participants, even though you do not have a direct question, are requested to keep your cameras on. It would be better for the quiz masters and for the game.
আচ্ছা সায়কের পরে কেউ আছে না আমরা এখানে
স্যার শায়কের
রাউন্ডটা
পর আর
কমপ্লিট
কেউ
করব?
নেই।
আচ্ছা তাহলে মানে আমরা এই রাউন্ডটাকে তো এখানেই কমপ্লিট করেছি। আমাদের মনে হচ্ছে যেহেতু 10 জনের করে করা ছিল, পার্টিসিপেন্ট টোটাল কতজন আছে এখন?
স্যার টোটালে এখন
Total participants are 7.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, okay.
Sir, should I announce the score after round 1?
Wait a minute. Kaushik da. Hello.
Me, I guess.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা তাহলে আমরা বাকি যে এটা ছিল, তো আমরা জাস্ট এর পর থেকে আমরা তো 10টা করে প্রশ্ন ভাবা ছিল, তো আমরা এখানে রাউন্ডটাকে না এন্ড করে যে এইখানে যে বাকি 3টে প্রশ্ন আছে সেই 3টে প্রশ্ন থেকেই আমাদের অ্যান্টি ক্লকওয়াইজ রাউন্ডটা স্টার্ট করে দিচ্ছি। ওকে
Okay, sir.
ওকে
I
Then-
hope it's clear to all the participants. You can just unmute yourself and give a response. That won't be a problem.
Are you getting my point, guys?
Okay, sir, you can continue, and if
Okay,
there's
okay,
a
okay.
problem, they will let us know.
Okay, okay. Then again we start from Sayok. This is the anti-clockwise round. So now we are start from Z to A. Okay. So Sayok, this is your question once again. Just name the venture. The full of X suggests a well structured and layered organization conveying truth and wisdom and used in offices all around the world. However, one reason for the naming was founder's girlfriend calling him X. Bollybuffs may associate this term in another sense related to Sammi Kapoor. Sayok?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
It's a direct question to you, sir. So,
I will pass the question.
Okay. Sayok passing it to
Ritoshri Bandyopadhyay.
Ritoshri. Ritoshri, any guess or any answer?
I can't guess of anything.
Okay, then it will go to the
Pooja Jha.
Pooja.
No, sir, I will pass this question.
Okay, she is also passing.
So it will go to Pramita Saha.
Pramita, do you have any answer?
So I think Tata AIG General Insurance.
Okay, good guess, but not the correct one. Next,
Ishika Kumar.
Isika.
Sir, I would like to pass it on.
Okay, Isika also passing.
Then Devajit Dhar.
Devojit,
Pass.
pass.
Anshika Basar.
I don't know. Pass.
Okay. So let's check the answer. It is Yahoo. Okay. Have you heard the song "Chahe Koi Mujhe Jangli Kahe"? There is a line Yahoo. So okay. Next question for
Sir, the next question would be for Ritoshri Bandopadhyay.
okay, Ritusri. Here your question. Okay, another FITV. India's government flagship program aimed at promoting innovation and entrepreneurship will reportedly have its own tableau parading the Rajpath on this year's Republic Day for the first time. This program was launched in 2016. Just fill in the blank. Name the program launched by Indian government to promote innovation and entrepreneurship.
It is exactly 2 words.
It is exactly 2 words. Dash and dash. Ritusri?
I'm thinking.
Okay. I think
2 words.
it is very simple. Just think it easily and you can get the answer, I think. The most simple 2 words related to our quiz. Okay. Ritusri, are you okay? So
What I'm thinking of is not a 2-worded one. It's going 3, which is why I'm having a problem.
so are you passing or do you have any answer?
Rituja, I would suggest if there is no negative mark, you can shout the whatever you were thinking.
But I was thinking make in India, the thing that is being promoted.
Very good guess. Very good guess, but it's not the correct one. Sorry. So let's move to the next. Who is there?
Sir, Pooja Jha.
Pooja?
Sir, is it Newgen?
No. Next.
Pramita Saha.
Pramita?
Sir, is it Startup India?
Yes, it is Startup India. The word are so much relatable to our quiz. So, okay. So the next question for Pooja Jha.
Direct question for Pooja Jha.
Okay. Okay, Pooja. Name the device for what did he get the patent? Okay. Let me read the question. On 3rd March 1856, a civil engineer, George Alfred D. Penny of 7 Grants Lane, Calcutta, petitioned the government of India. On 2nd September, D. Penny submitted the specification for his invention along with the drawings. These were accepted and D. Penny became the first ever intellectual property holder. Now I am looking for the answer, what he has patent for, what he had patent, the device, what he had patent. Pooja?
He patent a device. Okay, I'm thinking.
Okay. Just name me the device. No need to be the perfect one, but if you are getting there, so I can give you the point. Okay. One clue for all, as it is from the British period, so do not think any modern device. Okay, just think about some old devices or some old methods.
Is it some pulling machine?
Pulling machine. Are you want to improve your answer or stick to it? Any improvement?
Ponka pulling machine, I guess.
What is that?
I'm just guessing it. It's because it's a civil engineering, so it is related to any machine only.
Okay. Okay, let's see the answer. And Pankha pulling machine is the correct answer. Okay. This is the machine the Britishers are using for the pulling the pankhas, because back then there wasn't so mechanical fans or the electrical fans, so manual labor is needed for pulling the pankha. That's why they invented this pankha pulling machine to reduce the manual labor. Okay. Okay, so the next question for Pooja is get +10. So the next question for
Amita Saha.
okay. Name the term. X is a term used in the venture capital industry to describe a startup company with a value of over $1 billion. Though the original English term refers to a fictional animal, the term was first coined by venture capitalist Alan Lee in 2013 for some popular X startups are SpaceX, Robinhood, Instacart, etc. I am just looking for the term. It's very much related to an fictional animal also.
Fictional animal.
Sir, unicorn?
Have you seen any unicorn?
Yes, in fairy stories I've seen.
Okay. Okay, let's check the answer. It is unicorn. So Pramita also get +10.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Next is direct question to Ishika.
Okay. Name the term. In 1969, Dr. Karsanbhai Patel, a chemist at the Gujarat Government Department, manufactured phosphate-free synthetic detergent powder and started selling it locally. The powder was priced at 3.5 rupees per kg at a time when Hindustan Unilever Surf was priced at 13 rupees per kg. Soon there was a huge demand for eggs at Rupur, his hometown. Patel named the powder as eggs after his daughter. Patel was able to sell 15 to 20 packets a day on his way to the office on bicycle, some 15 kilometers away. By 1985, eggs washing powder had become one of the most popular household detergents in many parts of our country. I am looking for the detergent powder's name. Okay.
Sir, it is Nirma.
Okay. Just bang on the target, and it is the Nirma. So you have scored plus 10. Okay. This is the penultimate question from my side. Okay. Next will be next round will presented by Subham Bera. Okay. This
Okay,
is my
this is a direct
penultimate
question to Debajit Dhar.
Okay, Devajit, this is your direct question. Tell me the common name of this bird. This is also called Kalimasi. Is an Indian breed of chicken. They originated from Dhar and Jabua, Madhya Pradesh. These birds are mostly bred by the rural peoples, tribals, and Adivasis. The meat from this breed has a geographical indication or the GI tag that was approved by the Indian government on 13 July 2018. Just name the common name of this bird. Devjit?
Yes. Can I get a clue?
I think the term is so much related to the. Have you heard about the dhams or the 4 places of Lord Shiva? So you can guess it from there. Any guess?
The wild guess. Kalvairav.
Very good guess, but it is not the correct one. But the guess was very good. So after Devjit, who is there?
Sir, Anshika Basa.
Ansika.
Yes, sir.
Any guess, Ansika?
So is it Kadaknath?
Have you ate Kadaknath?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's check the answer. It is Kadaknath. So I have just gave you the clue because the dhams, they are called Badrinath, Kedarnath. So it is a little bit resembles with that. That's why I gave that clue. Okay. Next question for Ansika, and that's the last question from my side.
Okay, sir. Direct question for Anshika.
Ansika, just identify this kind of cryptocurrency. Okay. IBM software engineer Billy Marcus and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer, who decided to create payment system as a joke, making fun of wild speculation at that time. It features the face of the Shiba Inu, famous meme face, as its logo. It was introduced on December 6, 2013 and quickly developed its own online community, reaching a market capitalization of United States dollar 3,014,000. It's a bigger term. Okay, on May 5, 2021. Okay. Those numbers are not so much important. Just try to focus on the YOLO parts. I think it will help you to get the answer. Ansika?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Okay.
Sir, is it Dogecoin?
Dogecoin. Please tell me once. Ansika,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat your answer?
Sir, Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
I don't know.
Okay, let's check the answer. It is Dogecoin, and I think all of you are familiar with this dog. Okay,
Yes,
he is
sir.
a very common meme material.
It's basically the dodgy coin, not doggy or
Dogecoin.
dog.
Okay, the Dogecoin.
We were giving the number, no problem.
Okay. So
So plus 10 for Anshika.
okay, huh. Plus 10 for Ansika. Okay.
sir.
Next round will be the image round, and it will be presented by our another host, Subham Bera. Okay, I will hand over the mic to Subham.
Onik, I would like to request you to keep the presentation on from your end so that it will be easy to, control everything.
Yes. I am presenting the screen, and let me to present the image round. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay.
Yes.
Onik, can you just check your WhatsApp once, please? I've sent you something.
Yeah.
Okay, till then, hi everyone, good afternoon once again. So, are you enjoying?
Okay.
Are you enjoying the quiz as of now, or it's a bit tough to all of you? Max, please, any reply from your end as of now? Is the quiz is going hard or it's fine? Any answers from any of you?
I think they are so much serious about the quiz.
Don't be honestly, don't be so much serious, because this round is going to be fun, so don't be that much serious. It's just a quiz and it's a game, and at least at the end of the day only one will win and other will just appreciate the person. Nothing serious like that. So come on guys, it's happening good or a bit tough, or should we ask a little bit easy question to all of you?
Provide some clues, Subham.
Okay, fine. So moving on to the round. This is the old logo. I think everyone is visible on the screen and the question. So I'm going for the question directly. Old logo of which company? Ishna, whose question is this? This Anshika, I think.
This will be a direct question for Anshika. Yes.
Anshika, yeah. So this old logo of which company you are seeing? Any? You can ask for any clue. I'm ready to provide.
Sir, 1 second.
1 second is not that.
Subham, one thing. এটা কিন্তু non bonus round. Okay.
Yep.
মনে রাখিস।
Sure. So
I don't.
Anshika, any guesses? Any guesses?
Sir, Firefox.
How can you understand? This is the Firefox. This is a normal Phoenix Bard, as I can see. How can you guess? How can
So
you guess it's a Firefox?
because Firefox,
Is it look like a fox? Okay, Onik, can you just show me the answer, please?
it's like a duck thing.
Duck, but you were saying Firefox. Okay, fine. Well, it is the Firefox in 2002. It was the first logo, and moving on, the logo has been changed. Yep. So the +10, I believe, for Anshika.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Next is Debajit.
Next for Debajit. Yeah, for Debajit's question, Anik. Identify this world famous duo. Debajit, this is for you. Did question. All right. Anyone can ask me for any clue if you want. I'm here for giving clues.
Another thing, please check the question once more. I have left a little bit clue there also.
Yes. Debajit, any guesses?
No, pass.
Pass. No, this is not a pass. So we can go for the answer, Onik. I think at least you can ask for clue at least. I'm here for only giving clue. Otherwise, I don't have any job, honestly. So
I
Onik,
think he missed it.
yeah,
missed it.
exactly. Yeah. Onik, go for the answer. Is none other than Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google. It was tough, I guess, Debajit. It was tough. I don't think so.
There.
All right. Onik, yeah.
ঠিক আছে,
next. So the question is for, I think, Ishani. Okay, Ishani is not there. Ishika Kumar.
Ishika Kumar, yes, sir.
So the question is, identify both the clothing brands with almost same logos. Surprisingly, one company filed lawsuit against another one in 1984 on claims of trademark infringement, which is basically related to today's quiz. I repeat the question again for all of you. Identify both the clothing brands with almost same logos. Surprisingly, one company filed lawsuit against another one in 1984 on claims of trademark infringement. And here there are two logos you can see. Just give me the answers. Two companies. It's easy, very easy for Ishika Kumar. Go for it.
Sir, first one is Polo brand Saga.
You were just saying this Polo is a brand, right? Or Polo is the
Sir, the left one, I mean the black one. It's for a company named Polo brand, which is Saga.
Okay, and the second one?
The second one. Sir, the second one I think is US based. Sir, it is Ralph Lauren, I guess.
Which one is Ralph Lauren? You have to.
Sir, the blue one is. Sir, the blue one is Ralph Lauren Polo brand, and the left one is Saga, I guess.
Onik, can you see the answer, please? I'm sorry, Ishika. I don't know it is correct. Basically, the first one, black one, is the main company is Ralph Lauren, and the part was Polo. It's a side. Polo is their type, and another is one US Polo as a US Polo. That's a different brand. So there is something you have missed. I'm sorry, I can't give you the number. Onik, can we give her the number? I don't think so.
I think she is partially correct.
So
we can give her half point. Plus
okay.
5 we can consider.
Plus 5 you can give Ishika. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Next one is for Krishna, please.
So next, Pramita.
Pramita. Pramita, I don't know if you watch it, if you are very passionate about football or not, but this question is for you. This image you are seeing, image given below, is from a match between Real Madrid and Galatasaray, which was played on 9th April 2013 at the Turk Telecom Arena, which is in Turkey. Due to some reason, Real Madrid players wore their jersey a bit differently. As we can see, what was the reason? Basically, the guys who are very passionate about Real Madrid in this room can guess, but I don't think so.
So can you give a hint?
Hint, okay, fine. You can see there is a missing thing in their jersey. Basically, in a jersey, there is sponsor's name. So I can give you that clue as it's a sponsor. So why they
removed their name?
remove their
That
brand
is
name.
the question. Okay.
Question. Yeah.
Maybe they don't want to sponsor anymore.
No, that particular match only they just removed their sponsor name, and for some certain reason.
আচ্ছা, যদি শুভম, যদি রিজনটা নাও বলা যায়, যদি কাছাকাছি যায়, মোটামুটি কি নেওয়া যাবে?
যদি স্পন্সর নামটা বলে তাও at least ভেবে দেখো।
ওটাই বলছি।
Sponsor's name, if you can give at least
any recycling purpose?
No. Anik, can you go for the answer, or you can give her another chance, last chance, or go for the answer? All right. Okay. Last chance for you. I know it's tough for you. Still, give you another chance. At least for at least a brand, the sponsor name.
I think now we should move.
Yeah. Go for the answer on please. The answer is Boeing.com. They were sponsored by Boeing, which is a betting company, and gambling is illegal in Turkey, and advertising gambling is also banned in Turkey. Therefore, Real Madrid had to get rid of that Boeing advertisement. So sorry, there, Pramita, we're unable to give you the point. Moving on to Pooja.
Sir, Pooja.
Yeah. Pooja, your question is, he's the founder of one of the famous Indian startup company. Just identify which company he has founded.
Sir, any clue?
Any clue? Pooja, you love to cook?
No, sir.
Okay, so basically what you do, buying foods?
Can I give Shubham?
Yes. Can.
Listen, participant, some controversies are there with this startup company. Some day ago, some controversy are there.
Usually this startup is very much famous with controversies.
I don't know the answer.
কিছুদিন আগে কিন্তু একটা কন্ট্রোভার্সি এসেছিল এটা নিয়ে, এই কোম্পানিটা নিয়ে। এই কোম্পানিটাকে জড়িয়ে একটা কন্ট্রোভার্সি হয়েছিল কিছুদিন আগেই।
A few days back, like in this company was connected with some controversies, which is Instagram and Facebook also, and
Zomato.
How you just said?
I'm just guessing it because
about
few
Instagram. When I said Instagram.
Yeah, because few days before it was like Zomato is recently having very controversial.
All right, Anik, go for the answer, please, for Pooja Jha.
Yes, it is the fun of quiz.
It's a Dipinder Goyal from Zomato. Absolutely brilliant, Pooja. Great. Moving on to the next question for
Ritoshri Bandopadhyay.
It's very easy for her. Young age picture of which Indian industrialist and philanthropist? Young age picture of which Indian industrialist and philanthropist. Who
I
is
think
in
this one is a sitter one. Okay.
exactly. He's very famous for.
This is Ratan Tata. I hope. I have a feeling this is Ratan Tata.
Why are you hoping? It's absolutely
But
Ratan
it
Tata.
is.
It is. Don't hope. It's just Ratan Tata. Simply, it's absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Okay. So the next question is for
Shayok Ghosh.
Shayok Ghosh. He's Karole Ereki. Sorry if I'm saying wrong. 20 October 1878 to 17 June 1952. A Hungarian engineer. How he's relatable with today's session? Karole Ereki. If I don't know what is his pronunciation of his name. Actually, a Hungarian engineer how he is relatable with today's session. Shayok, for you.
Yes, sir.
Shubham, is that last question?
Yes, so for today's question.
আচ্ছা,
So today's
এটা যদি ক্লু লাগে তাহলে ক্লু একটা ভালো ক্লু আছে।
অনেক clue is for
If he insisted, then I can give him a clue.
Yes, sir.
Shayok.
Please.
Not only it is relatable to today's quiz, but also it is relatable to you also. Okay, somehow it is relatable to all of you guys somehow.
Your professors are in this room, huh?
Point the name term biotechnology.
Okay, let's check the answer.
See.
Yes,
He's
he is the father of biotechnology, and he also coined the term biotechnology. So this is a small tribute from our side to your department and Haldia Institute of Technology.
Thank you, everyone. From mine too. Anik, you can continue.
Okay.
Just now, what is the scoreboard as of now, please?
Okay, my co-coordinator will be announcing the score.
Hello, everyone. After the 3 rounds, the scores are like Anishka Bosak is 35 points, Devjit Dhar 0, Isika Kumar 25 points, Pramita Saha 25 points, Pooja Jha 20 points, Ritoshri Bandopadhyay 25 points, and Shayok Ghosh 20 points. So I guess Anishka Bosak is leading with 35 points.
Anshika Bosak.
Anshika Bosak, sorry.
Is there any tie?
The second position is a tie between 3 people, Ishika, Pramita, and Ritoshri. And the third position is a tie between Pooja and Shayok.
আচ্ছা, সেকেন্ড পজিশনের টাই ভাঙলেই তো আমরা মনে হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড এবং থার্ড কে পেয়ে যাব।
Yes.
There are 3 people in second position as is now.
Yes, they are Ishika, Pramita, and Ritoshri.
Okay.
আচ্ছা, ওদের সেমিফাইনালে মার্কসটা দেখলেই
25. All 3 have got 25.
আচ্ছা, এদের মধ্যে কে কে ডাইরেক্ট অ্যানসার বেশি দিয়েছে? +10 কে বেশি পেয়েছে?
Pramita gives 2 direct answers.
Okay.
Isika gives 2 direct answers. And Ritoshri also gives 2 direct answers.
Okay. Then we'll have to
We have to go for questions.
check their semi-final score. Kaushik da.
Otherwise, we'll go for tie breaking round. Anik.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, কোশ্চেন তো আছে, তো আমরা টাই ব্রেকই করি এদের তিনজনের মধ্যে। তাহলে
যেহেতু সবগুলোতেই সেম আসছে, আমার মনে হয় যে একটু একটা টাই ব্রেক রাউন্ড করে নেওয়া উচিত।
ঠিক আছে, প্রত্যেককেই তাহলে কোশ্চেন দেওয়া হোক, আর ওটা ওদের তিনজনের মধ্যেই তাহলে থাকুক।
Okay, so we will have a tiebreaker round between Ishika, Pramita, and Ritoshri right now.
অনেক তাহলে পরপর কি তিনটে কোশ্চেন কি পরপর যাবে তিনজনের জন্য না
হ্যাঁ আমরা
উইথ বোনাস
হ্যাঁ উইথ বোনাস পরপর তিনটে প্রশ্ন যাবে তিনজনের কাছে। এদের মধ্যে থেকে আমরা যদি পেয়ে যাই তো ভালো, না হলে সেমিফাইনালের স্কোর দেখতে হবে, আর কিছু করার নেই।
Okay, are you ready?
Ishika, Pramita, and Ritoshri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am ready also.
Okay, sir. So the first direct question will be for Ishika.
Shubham.
Okay, fine. So the first direct question to Ishika for the tiebreaker, the deadly tiebreaker. The question is, it's a name the company. The company is currently selling a shade of nail polish, Social Butterfly Blue, at its campus store in Menlo Park, California, I believe. Although the company told Massable it added the polish to its collection of branded swag at the beginning of the year. Its existence was recently brought to the light by Huffington Post executive tech editor Bianca Bosker, who tweeted a picture of it on sale at the headquarters store. The clue is in the question. I know the question is very big, but you can just concentrate on the yellow things so you can get the answer.
The original campus store in Menlo Park. It is the clue. Biggest clue, I think.
Menlo Park, California. Just concentrate on the name of the product, Social Butterfly Blue. It's social, a blue, and butterfly. Yeah, Pishika, for you.
So I have to basically name the company which is selling this nail polish.
Yes, for this particular nail polish, not okay. I'm giving another clue. They are not the nail polish brand or nail polish company like that. This particular thing they just selling. They just started selling.
Means sir, they are not associated to it.
No, nope, never. It's a tiebreaker, so we can't give you that much time, So, read a shout, please.
Please, we have to proceed.
Ishika?
Just any guess. Ishika, any guess. Very well-known company.
Some Nykaa?
Okay, next team.
No, next.
Pramita Saha.
Pramita.
So Facebook?
How?
Because I recently in the Google feed I got the news that Facebook is saving this nail polish blue butterfly.
Okay, can you just go for the answer? You recently Googled or you just now Googled? I'm just asking.
No, I got the news in the Google.
No problem. I'm just poking. No problem. Onik, please go for the answer. Yeah, absolutely. It is Facebook. Social Butterfly Blue. Social there, and blue is the trademark of Facebook. So Social Butterfly Blue is the product of Facebook just now. Okay, so Pramita scored bonus 5. Yep. Next question
for Ritoshri. A direct question for Pramita it would be.
Pramita, yes. Identify X. X is a cross-platform instant messaging service for smartphones that uses internet for communication. X is a joint venture between Bharti Enterprise and SoftBank. Launched on 12th December 2012, X attained 15 million users in February 2014 and raised $14 million for its development. It's an Indian brand, Indian X.
It's an Indian brand.
Indian X, instant messaging service. It's an Indian messaging service.
Please switch on your camera, please.
It's switched on.
Yeah.
Shubham, proceed, please.
Okay, I think we are unable to give you more time, Pramita. Extremely sorry. Ritushri, for bonus.
Is it hike?
Did you use hike previously or using
Well,
hike now?
there used to be some game thing in hike. I used to play that, I remember, in my mother's phone.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. This is hike. Ritushri, bonus 5. Nice. So the next question for Ritushri. Direct question.
For Ritushri.
Yep.
Yes.
Pixar began in 1979 as the graphics group, a notable person in the field of tech after leaving his former company in 1985. He started funding into the startup, being aware of the future possibilities of animations and become the biggest shareholder of the company. Now, Pixar Animation Studios is world famous for its critically and commercially successful feature film. Some famous Pixar films are Toy Story, Cars, Finding Nemo, Wall-E, Up, etc. So, who is he?
Actually, who was he?
Who was he? Who was he?
This would be better for clue.
Ritushri, your direct question.
Any guess? Let's any guess. Who was he? It is the biggest clue. Any guess? Otherwise, we will proceed.
Ritushri, I think we need to go for bonus.
So can
Ishika, sorry, Ritushri, we are not able to give you more time. Ishika, your bonus.
Sir, it is Steve Jobs.
Let's see. Onik, go for it. It is Steve Jobs.
So that's a bonus for Ishika.
And the fact is, both got 555 bonus.
It's a tie again.
Again, it's a tie.
Okay. Onik, what to do? Onik is there?
আমার মনে হচ্ছে কেউই অরিজিনাল কোয়েশ্চেনের ডিরেক্ট কোয়েশ্চেন কেউ অ্যানসার দিতে পারছে না, মানে গুগল করার জন্য টাইমটা তো পেয়ে যাচ্ছে নাকি?
Wait.
If we check the semi-final scores, there's again a tie between Pramita and Ritushri, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Just now, what is the score? If we sum up the semi-final score as well, Ishna?
So semi-finals. Actually, semi-final. We have the positions where Ritushri and Pramita share the first position in the semi-final round.
I think I have something. No. Ishika. Onik, what to do now?
আমার কাছে আরো কয়েকটা কোশ্চেন আছে, আমার মনে হচ্ছে আরেকবার ট্রাই করে দেখা ভালো, না হলে এছাড়া আর কিছু করো।
Otherwise, we don't have any options. So at the end, it's just a do or die position for the second and third position. First position is grabbed by
Anshika.
Anshika. She's relaxed. She's happy with first position. The battle is between 3%. Yep. This thing I was looking for. So this question is for Ishika.
Yes, sir. That would be a direct question for Ishika then.
Okay, Ishika, your direct question. The P2P payment system developed by an unknown person or group of people using the Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. It began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open source software. Single unit of it value more than 3 million INR. It is currently embroiled in controversy because of rampant usage by the underworld. What I am talking about? Ishika, your direct question. For the deadly battle tribecking. Iska answer or pass?
Please make it quick.
Quick, huh?
Yes, just a second.
Little bit fast, more little bit fast.
I think now
Let's
Sir, is it Bitcoin?
Aniko, for the answer, please let's check what if she is right or not. It is Bitcoin. Safe plus 10. Okay. Grab a safe place. Ishika.
Next, direct
Pramita,
question for Pramita.
for Pramita. Identify X. The tussle over the origin of X, long popular in Indian pop culture and history as a Bengali desert and known variously, began in 2015 when Odisha established July 30 as X Divasha to mark the festival of Niladri Bij, the last day of Rath Yatra. According to the Odia diction, X was invented in Odisha as far back as the 12th century when dumplings made out of cottage cheese or chena were served as offering in the Lord Jagannath. However, Odisha failed to provide evidence to support its case within the time. West Bengal wins the sticky battle with Odisha. Gets to keep GI tag on X. Identify X.
Sir, Rasgulla?
Let's see the answer. It is Rasgulla. Rasgulla. Okay. So plus 10 for Pramita.
Pramita.
Yes,
Okay.
Pramita. Ritashree. Last question. I don't know what is coming for her. Onik, go for it. I'm worried about the score of second position. Identify this venture. This is your question. A multi-million-dollar venture founded by 7 Gujarati-speaking women in a crowded Mumbai in 1959 with seed capital of rupees 80. To reduce the financial strain of the respective families, 7 semi-literate women decided to invest on their culinary skill with a hope to earn a stable income. It is considered as one of the most remarkable entrepreneurial initiatives by women of Indian names, Sri Mahila Griha Udyog. So identify this venture. I'm repeating Ritashi for once. It's a long one. So a multi-million-dollar venture founded by 7 Gujarati-speaking women in a crowded Mumbai in 1959 and seed capital of rupees 80 to reduce the financial strain of the respective families. 7 semi-literate women decided to invest on their culinary skill with a hope to earn a stable income. It is considered as one of the most remarkable entrepreneurial initiatives by women of India names. Sri Mahila Griha Udyog. What is the venture?
Shubham, to speed, too fast.
It depends everything on you. If you crack it, then we don't have anything.
I don't know the complete name, but I have a feeling it's Papod.
Now we have the venture. There are a couple of papods in the market. So we need the venture.
Go for bonus. Shubham, please go for bonus.
Fine. Ritashree, I'm sorry, Ishika?
Sir, it is Lijjat Papad, the venture's name.
Lijjat Papad.
They founded the
Anik? Answer, please. It is Lijjat Papad, and Ishika finally grabbed the second position, and finally Pramita scored 15 and for tiebreaker, and she's third for this quiz. So I would like to request Ishna for the final score, the top three.
So the final position is acquired by Anshika. She is holding the first position, followed by Ishika Kumar at the second position and Pramita at the third position.
Congratulations, all the winners from mine. And here I am ending. Anik or Kaushik, you can
Thank you,
take over.
Thank you. I congratulate to all of you students and also the organizer, and especially thanks to Mukesh sir, Ona madam, and also Devdas and Esna.
Thank you so much, sir.
একটু পার্টিসিপেন্টের কাছে বলবো, পার্টিসিপেন্টরা কেমন লাগলো? How are you feeling about this quiz session?
Sir, it was fun. Especially this round was quite fun.
Should be. Okay.
All the participants can unmute themselves, please. There's no restriction. You can just unmute.
Okay, from the first, I'll be there for a few minutes. Anshika, so how are you feeling right now, being a champion of today's quiz?
It was really very good.
Was it tough for you? I don't think so. But still.
It was a little bit.
All right. Thank you once again, and congratulations for being the first position holder. Moving on to second, Ishika. How are you feeling right now to grab position of second?
Sir, I'm feeling very nice. Sir, it was a good experience. I could get to know many things which I didn't knew before. So it was overall a good experience.
Cool. And the third one, after long battle, Pramita. Yep.
Sir, it was fun, especially this logo round. I get to know a lot of information. So it was very fun and informative as well.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all the professors and other participants, and wish you all the very good luck. Stay safe at this position. You know what it's going right now, very pathetic. So yep, stay safe and stay home. Wear mask. Take precautions every time. That's all from my end. Thank you. Kaushik Dar, Anik, you can go for, please.
Hello, guys. At first, thank you, all of you, to be present here and make this afternoon session grand successful. I know all of us going through a rough phase, negativities here and there. Still, we have to stay focused and be positive in our mental side, and very best wishes for your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.